now a new condom that changes color when it detects STDs. Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
All right.
Hello, December. Hello, December.
Whoa.
Skumba, you are on social media, ne? I'm sure you've heard of technology.
Yes.
This groundbreaking condom that changes color when exposed to sexually transmitted infections, STIs, could soon reach the market. Developed by a researcher, the condom uses a lubricant infused with special agents that react to infection-related proteins. When triggered, the reactions causes the condom to shift in color. I choose a purple.
Chameleon.
So how are you
Chameleon.
I'm still explaining.
How are you gonna see?
Shift in color. Well, you must check.
How are you gonna see?
I'm
You're gonna see
I'm feeding the masses with information.
your pop. How are they gonna see?
So,
Kanjani?
Khomotso, can I finish? When triggered, the reaction causes the condom to shift in color, signaling the possible presence of infections such as gonorrhea or syphilis. All right?
So does it zipper you? so
The
that you know?
innovation aims to give users a quick, visible warning and encourage earlier testing and treatment. So, Khomotso,
Would the condom
because
know?
because you care about your life, it's like obviously when you use a condom and you suspect that it might
Have teared.
It might.
Have teared.
Yeah, you check. Even with this
Okay.
one, you take breaks from time to time and say, let's see.
What a horrible conversation we're having.
Let's-
What if the person putting on the condom
Yeah.
is the person with the STI? Does it then change immediately?
Well, good question, Khomotso. It's
Because-
something that I will ask.
Oh, the
The guys
research
who developed
company.
this condom. But that's a good question.
Condom
Khomotso.
is just-
It can check in now. It don't pimpa now, but it can pimpa the owner.
It has to be for the owner. Because most of the time, and don't kill me for this, this is not an attack on men.
No, it's not.
The carrier of STI is the man. You bring it to us.
Yeah, maybe the other guy that you were with. Maybe not the one you are with.
Yes,
Exactly.
it doesn't have to be
Exactly.
my partner.
Exactly.
But the carrier of disease.
Mara una leona. You didn't go and check. So, it is the woman who can easily see.
How then?
Because
What
you can
furniture is
see,
moving?
you can see all angles. Left, right, center, up, pencil parts. You can see.
Not when the furniture is moving.
No, but it's true. I mean, this is great.
If there was a problem, I wish it could pinch the owner. Like imu alert, you know, like a irmele ping.
Oh, understand.
You know, iPhone is a ping.
No, I get
yes, imu ping. What? And then it does the same to the girl. So if the girl is at risk because the guy is carrying an STI, and then it does also like a pinch.
And then the both of you need to be matured and say one of us has whatever.
It's tasered.
Let's go and check. Oh, you mean when it is so it must
So
taser
it
the
is
one with
it
the,
is an orobalan.
yeah, exactly.
It tase. Go when how fetsa fela ho again. How right, Baba? This is not the time to play. And if the girl is the one at risk, it must taser twice.
You know,
Then you must know it's that guy. That guy is coming. Zap you.
Yeah, but that's a very interesting invention.
What a mess this show is,
condom
honestly.
changing.
Ning Ning, he or she is your partner. You've been together for a while. You lose the condom. You know, so many couples that have been together for a while don't use the condom anymore. And I
That's
think
about
this is a great way to start. Yes, you know what you was serious, ne? What was serious, and then Glenn was just like,
That's my dad.
Glenn,